complicating access to ports and controls in the process. More recent phones, particularly those in the flagship space, have benefited from internal design changes and additions that help make them hardier, without impacting their overall dimensions or aesthetics. Motorola and Sony have led the charge in the mobile space when it comes to water-resistant phones. The use of both seals and hydrophobic coatings are essential to keeping your tech water and dust-free, and nowadays everyone from the likes of Apple and Samsung to OnePlus offer up at least one device with certified levels of ingress protection, also known as IP ratings. Based on the capabilities of the phone in question and the degree to which they are able to withstand contact with water and dust, we've assembled a list of the best water-resistant phones you can get your hands on right now. As mentioned, most reside within the flagship space, but competent ingress protection has made its way into the mid-range market too, so keep your eyes peeled for more affordable devices that also cite an IP rating if you can't find what you're looking for here. Best Waterproof Phones 2022.